Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing the question that says what not divisible. Whatever. So without wasting your time, let's smash these questions up. Whatever. Oh yes. Okay, so now we are given an exam question. It says what given what the arithmetic series. Whatever, determine the number of terms in this series. So, if you are given a question like this, it says what determine the number of terms in this series. So, when they are looking for terms, listen to me. When they are looking for terms, you're going to use what the general formula, right? Okay, so now look at here. Tn. So this is our a. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 close bracket d. Whatever. So what is our a here? This is our a. Whatever. So how are we gonna find what the common difference? We are going to say what? We are going to use this formula. T2 minus T1 is equal to what? To the D. So 18 is term number 1, term number 2, term number 3. So 300, I don't know which term it is. They want me to find that. Okay? So now we're going to say what? 24 minus 80. And then we'll get what? We will get 6. So 6 is our what? Is our common difference, right? Okay, so please refer to the first video if you want to understand this thing very deeply. Whatever. So because of they've given me what 300 here, I'm going to put it where I see TA. So it's going to be what 300. What is our A? Our A is what? It's 18. 18 plus n minus 1. What is our D? Our D is 6. And then 18 plus 6n minus 6 is equal to what? 200. So now we have to make what the n the subject of the formula. Then 18 minus 6 is going to give us what? 12 plus 6n. And then when I transpose this 6 here, it's going to give us what? 300 minus 12. It's going to give me 288 equals to 6n. So you divide by 6, divide by 6. And then, okay, I am continuing here. My n is going to equal to 48. So how many terms are here on this number pattern? They are what? 48 terms. So now I have completed what? I have completed what? The first question by finding what? The 48 terms. And then on the B, calculate the sum of this series. So when they say calculate the sum of this series, you'll use this formula, or you're going to use what? This formula right here. N over 2a plus L. Whatever. So to avoid to save up time, let's just use this one. B is equal to, so yeah, Sn is equal to what? They're saying well, calculate the sum of this series. So Sn 48 is equal to what? 48 over 2. What is our A? Our A is 18 plus 300, close bracket. Then we get what? 48 over 2, open bracket, 18 plus 300. We get what? 7,632. Hey, I almost became Zoomer there. So now we are done with what? With this question right here. We come up to what? To C. So C, it is the main question that I wanted to take care. So what does C say? C says calculate the sum of all the whole numbers up to and including 300 that are not divisible by 6. So listen to me, guys. When they are so when they are looking for the number that is not divisible by 6, you'll have to find what? You'll have to find the sum of what? Of the whole numbers minus what? The numbers that are divisible by 6. Okay, so let me give you the formula here. So sum of not divisible by 6 is equivalent to sum of whole. So I'm going to just write what? Whole. Whole meaning the whole numbers minus what? Sum of divisible by 6. Okay, so now we are going to use what? This formula right here. So please listen to me. Please listen to me carefully, guys. Okay, so what are we going to do here? We are going to find what? The sum of the whole numbers. Whole numbers, it is the number that starts from 0 up until to positive infinity. So we're going to just see what S 300 is equal to 300 over 2 over 1. So what is our A? A is 1 plus 300. Close bracket. Then we get what? 300 over 2. What is our A? Is 301. Whatever. Then we find what? 45,150. You see now, this mathematic wants to be next lit. Okay. So now we have found what? Sum of the whole number. So how will we find the sum of divisible by 6? We are going to just say what? We are going to use this number. But when we use this number, we are going to add what? 12 and 6. Why? Because of this number here, they are divisible by what? By 6. But the only thing that is left here that we didn't put here, it is what? It is 6 and 12. So, okay, now I am writing what? Sum of divisible by 6. Sum of divisible by 6. It's going to be what? It's going to be this number plus 12 plus 6. Why? Because of this number here, they are divisible by 6, but we didn't include what? 12 and 6. They are going to say what? 7, 632 plus 12 plus 6. Then we get what? 7632 plus let me do it by head. A plus this is going to be what? It's 750. Let's see. Plus 12 plus 6. Yes. Hey, somebody say that I am a working calculator, guys. You have to be like that, especially if you are running on a low budget. Okay, so for us to find the sum of not divisible by 6, we say what? Sum of what? Of the whole numbers minus the sum of the of divisible by 6. So we're going to just say what? 45,150 minus what? Okay, then it gives us what? 375 0 0. It's 37,500. Okay, so guys, okay, so this is the answer for what, for our C, Weber. Okay, so that's how we beat this baby up. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.